station. You can see us going inside. So here we go. Come on, y'all.
In Alabama, y'all see me on the road. We about to go on that family trip, y'all. I told you we bringing another video back to y'all. Yeah, stay tuned.
We are in Georgia, you guys. It took us forever to get out of North Carolina, a little bit of South Carolina, but now we are in Georgia. Yes, we are in Georgia. Our chaps is in the back seat, asleep, you guys. They are knocked out.
Go ahead and stop since we in Georgia.
Let me get down a little bit more. All right, you guys. This is Atlanta. So I'm pretty sure those who live in Atlanta, those who have came and visit Atlanta, this probably how it looks when you got here. Lord. This traffic is unreal. This is Sunday, and this what time it is. It's almost 2 o'clock. We're 4 minutes away from being 2 o'clock. We done seen police cars on the left, the right, on the top of the bridge, under the bridge. Accidents, pullovers, you name it, we done saw it on this highway. So, welcome to Atlanta, you guys, where the traffic do not play. You got to be kind of aggressive to try to drive in Atlanta. You can't be nervous. You can't be scared. You got to be somewhat aggressive driving here in Atlanta. Excuse me. Charlotte, North Carolina is about to be like that too. But here in Atlanta, you definitely going to have to be kind of aggressive when it comes down to driving. They don't play over here. Down here. Traffic up there.
Traffic at 2.4 miles.
Traffic there. Traffic everywhere. Yep. Welcome to Atlanta, you guys. Where the traffic don't play. We still on 85. We are actually on 85 South. Like we stated, we are headed to Alabama. We about to make a stop, a little pit stop, you guys. So it takes a while to get out of North Carolina. That's the majority of our trip was in North Carolina, you guys.
South Carolina.
North Carolina was the majority of our trip. Then South Carolina. All right, I'll pick it back up in a minute. Okay, you guys, so we are stopped at the racetrack in Atlanta, Georgia, you guys. We are going to the racetrack.
What number is that?
I don't know what number that is. My daughter, she is locking up her hair, you guys. Both of my daughters, they are locking up their hair. After we get back from our vacation, I'm gonna be locking my hair too. So it said, make it a meal. 3-piece chicken tenders, 20-ounce Coca-Cola product for $3.50. Can't beat that. Thank you. Restroom is right here. I'm about to go use the bathroom. I'm about to end this live. You guys, at this gas station, they got like a coffee thing. They also have a place for pizza. They got an ice cream machine, but it's down. And then, you know, they got the regular things. Also, there's like a little stand for the coffee. And then over there to the other side, you guys, they got a place where you can actually put on your own ice cream toppings. Now that's neat. I need a large. Of course, I'm getting a cup of ice, crushed ice. Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. I gotta get 2 cups of these crushed ice. These things, the ice is real small, you guys. Oh, we need a racetrack in North Carolina and Charlotte. They sure will be getting my little dollars for this ice cream. And for this ice. Definitely for the ice. Come on, cup, man, hey. I don't want to get 2 cups. Sorry about the movement, you guys. I'm gonna get 2 cups of ice. Yes, Lord. 2 cups of ice, you guys. Yeah. Okay, y'all, look at that ice. Look how small it is. You know I'm in heaven right now. Okay, I just gotta find me a lid. Okay, so there's a lid right here and a lid right here. I'm gonna pick it up with you guys when we get back. Oh, that's, I need large. Large. Lids. Large. Lids. Okay, I just need a couple of napkins in here. Okay.
for the stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, you paying for it?
Yeah, I'm paying for it. You got you something to eat? You don't want no cheeseburger?
No,
Well,
he
what
wanted
Dad-
to try to get 2 things. I said no.
No, you can't get two now.
Well, look at that big back here. I'm not getting that sour cream. It burned my tongue.
And they got self-checkout.
Let's go get those. Oh, what you got? Mom, can you scoot back, please?
What? What? I'm not don't want them. No. I don't too much like quinoa. This is the first time I've been to a gas station when they got self-checkout. Can you get some more? Get some water. Don't I got water in that little thing? That's it. Yeah, you can get a little bit.
I was gonna buy anything. Of course, he had to get ice for him.
I gotta retwist your hair.
Well, it looks bad.
No, but I just gotta retwist it.
Well, how long we was asleep?
Y'all was asleep for a couple of hours.
Just a couple hours. Mom, I heard you.
Oh, y'all, we are still in Atlanta, you guys. This traffic is unbelievable.
We got 2.2 miles.
2.2 miles and we'll be
175.
75 south
Yeah, to Montgomery.
to Montgomery, Alabama, you guys. But we are still in this traffic, you guys. You guys. There's a lot of stop and go and stop and go and stop and going and stopping and going. And this is on a Sunday. I could imagine how Monday and Saturday and Friday is. If this is like a Sunday, I can guarantee it's worse on a Friday, which I have drove here on a Friday anyway. And on a Monday, so oh, it look like it done got worse since the last time I done came here.
Mercedes-Benz Stadium.